Until you realize the potential for using PLR content, you'll be unlikely to actually use it. In other words, you've got to see how PLR content can be a good fit for your business. It's a tool for doing what you're already going to do faster, easier, and even better. Are you tracking with that? PLR doesn't add to your current workload, it takes from your current workload. It gives you a shortcut for all of your content-related business-building tasks. If you know how, when, and where to use it. In this video, I unveil foundational ways to use PLR in your business to speed up and simplify your workload without sacrificing quality. In fact, if you choose your PLR wisely, it will actually even increase the quality of your content. Need ideas of ways to use PLR? Keep watching. 1. Make a decision first. Sometimes PLR buyers purchase PLR first, perhaps because a good deal landed in their inbox, and then they have to decide what to do with it. That's backward. Instead, what you want to do is, first, make the decision about how you want to use PLR. And then look for PLR content that suits your needs. Don't start with someone else's PLR. Start with the needs of your business. Otherwise, one of two things is likely to happen. 1. You will waste your time. If you purchase a good deal on PLR that doesn't fit with your current, or soon upcoming, project, then you'll likely get distracted away from your plan to add something else to your to-do list. If it doesn't help you further down the road you plan to travel, it's simply a detour from where you want to go. 2. You will waste your money. If you purchase a good deal on PLR that doesn't fit with your current, or soon upcoming, project, then you'll likely put the content aside for future use with every intention to do something with it later. Only later oftentimes never comes at all. The PLR becomes forgotten or outdated or unneeded. Bottom line, start with what you need, and then find PLR to meet your need. 2. Ask yourself these questions. As you start trying to figure out how to use PLR, by starting with your needs, ask yourself these questions. What types of content do I currently create and use for my business? What types of content would I like to create and use for my business? Create a big list based on your current needs and future needs. You'll want to focus the most on purchasing PLR content that meets your current needs. For example, if you're already blogging a few times per week and posting on social media daily, then purchase content for these purposes. Note, if you plan to start doing something new, such as blogging, in a few months, then wait until the time to look for an appropriate PLR. Think short-term rather than long-term. Now let's start looking at the different ways to use PLR content. 3. Create paid products. You can create just about any type of paid product out of PLR content. The key here is to look for large packages of content. That way, you can create an entire sales funnel out of the content. Your sales funnel might include a free lead magnet to get people onto your mailing list. Front end, a low-cost, high-value tripwire to turn subscribers into buyers. Foundational, a core offer that is premium priced to increase revenue. Finishing, at least one back-end offer to get repeat customers. You can even purchase multiple large packages of content to quickly and easily create multiple sales funnels. Tip: look for 1 or 2 PLR providers whose content you really like and stick with purchasing from them. This way the content will be consistent and will require a few tweaks to seamlessly fit together in style, format, and quality. The more offers, free, front-end, foundational, finishing, you have built into your business, the better. This gives you 1. More opportunities to give benefit your audience. 2. More opportunities to generate profit for your business. Buying PLR is an instant way to supply the content for these various types of products to insert into your sales funnels.